up, bitch?
Trying to look at that view. I know Jesus is smelling that treadmill right now we're about to go to. That view looking good out there. Guys, that's what happens when the YouTube revenue kicks in. Look at these dirty people, bro. Nah. Whoa, guys, what we doing in there? Whoa. Whoa. Where's Ruben? Ruben, where you at? Ruben's right there, bro. Ruben's nasty, bro. Shut up. You know, guys, trying to enjoy this view outside. It looks nice. Whoa, Jesus, what you doing?
Mondo got me getting his drugs.
He's gonna be a cameo in every one of your videos. This is just all.
Shit is gonna be not that fucking weird, guy. What we making out there? We put it in work. Guys, he has a medical condition. That's why he's smoking.
He has a knee condition. His knee hurts.
Anyways, guys, we enjoyed this. Guys, y'all see the life out here like that. Hot tub. Stop playing with me.
Yeah. Remind me of old school in La Olla.
We got the bootleg weed man. We got the original weed man right there. He's in the cut.
OG, look, the sun's shining on him.
Oh, it looks nice out here.
You call me bootleg?
Bro, don't sing. Oh, yo, Jesus almost died.
It's fucking hot.
Sheesh. Bro, it's steaming out here. Yo, what we doing? We back at it again over there? That's crazy.
Find out y'all not butt naked right
Oh, I didn't know.
Who was showing something?
We're trying to see.
Bro. Whoa, smells like crazy in here. Y'all trying to play it off. Y'all trying to play it off. Bro, look at the view. It's crazy out here. They turned the bubbles on. Snowball fight. Snowball fight. What do you mean, bro? My camera? The idiots out there still. We leaving. We in the trap. That's crazy. Look, bro. I ain't trying to say nothing. Bro, what you doing out there?
Go,
Jesus?
Stop exposing us. You have me cleaning up your shit, ho.
Oh, that's crazy.
I swear you don't do drugs, just for this video.
Oh, that's crazy. You hear that? I'm gonna put you on the spot right now. Huh? Oh, you look.
You ain't even recording.
Nah, bro, yes I am, bro. You see that recording? That's how it looks. That shit looks nice, bro. Where y'all going? The checking. We have to check out. We have to check out. Toxic. Ooh. That's crazy. My car. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, hope to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need.
I would've got you.
We out here, Toretto.
Stop playing.
Oh my god, oh my god. Yeah. There's a cave right there. You see the cave?
Yeah, what the?
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, fuck everybody, just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
How you feeling, G's, about this nature shit?
Chilling. I fucks with the views.
You a nature guy?
Yeah, I'm a nature guy.
I was like, what the fuck?
See me out here every day with these.
I only asked for one starting off. First time seeing snow.
For real?
Yeah, I never seen snow before.
Liar.
Deadass.
Oh,
This is my second time. The last time I went was with you and Gabriel.
Damn.
He said.
This is dope. Trip then.
You know, they say that they think mountains are sometimes trees.
Trees?
Yeah, because back then everything was bigger. Like if you look at the patterns, doesn't it kind of look like trees? Watch, look at the tree and look at that. We finally made it, guys. We're out here in the trenches. We're from the hotel to get, bro. Tell us how you feel, sis.
Do any of you guys want to take trail mix?
You don't want to say nothing, bro.
That's the thing.
Toxic. Oh, how you feel?
I think I'm okay. Cause I can carry it if you guys want.
Boom.
Hey, let's
The weed man, the weed man. That's
Trail
crazy.
mix man.
Oh,
Trail mix man.
okay.
Weed man's you.
Nah, chill. Anyways,
you got the coke?
chill, bro. Damn, we're cutting that
We're
out.
not doing heroin on this trip.
Whoa, whoa. That's crazy. He's putting in work right now.
Yeah, he's putting.
Alright,
We'll follow him. We'll follow him.
alright.
Bro, I'm doing my own thing, so if I get lost, y'all are following me.
Bitch, I thought we were going to the waterfall.
Which one is it?
Yeah, you're right. I'm gonna take a look at the
I
map.
thought we were going to the waterfall, nigga.
That's crazy. Cousin? I'm gonna go with my cousin, bro. He has been here before. He's more reliable. Just because he can tell you. Alright, we out. Damn, chill, Spider-Man. Man. Look, you about the camera with me, or else I would have been rap out here. You would have competition on your ass. Chill. Lady. You better climb over the log. That's crazy. Look how normal you could just go through. Whoop. Idiot, bro. See?
The waterfall goes this way, right?
Yeah, we didn't see any water, but yeah.
Oh, that's crazy.
Oh, there's probably no water.
Come across the biggest rock.
Excuse me. Did any of you guys get it beforehand already? You did? Nice.
Yeah, thing.
Nice, good shit.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
As fuck.
I just,
How was it to get back down?
Oh, you just go down that side. It's okay.
Yep. Come on, bro. Keep it tight. Come on.
Come
on.
What is
Quick update, we up out here. Still got more to go. All the way up there. Oh God. Made it this far. We need the trees gone so we can see the view. There ain't no water. It's wrapped. Ruben's down bad somewhere over there. Down there. I know Jesus is there for support.
That's what he wanted.
He wanted to come but he can't keep up. I can't fuck with him. My boy Ruben's down bad right now.
Ruben, remember I told you about doing stuff that you don't want to do? No. Well, today is one of those days where you're gonna have to do stuff you don't want to do. Why is it?
I'll wait here.
You know me. documentation. When y'all could be, remember that day we went to Yosemite and look back at the video. Yeah. Damn, I remember I was there. Yeah, I remember. Yeah, you know it.
So we got you.
Nah, you need to get your stamina up. What you say?
I don't know, some tweaking shit. Oh, I have some meat back there.
Get out of here, Juan.
Shut up, bitch. You don't even got legs to fucking hell.
Oh God, they toxic. Juan is gonna go on this rock. Oh, so I wasn't kidding. All the views starting to look good out here. It's good. Guys, we found a hidden safe. Whoa, that boy going X Games mode. He's trying to fight the bear. Apparently there's a bear out here.
You guys are scared?
No.
I'm sweating, guys.
Alright. Here's a nice view though, but Ruben out there giving up. We got laggers out there.
Hey, you're a bad teammate, bro.
Now Ruben wanted to come, now he wants to give up. I can't fuck with that.
Who's gonna come up?
That don't mean we're leaving behind.
Yes, it does.
I never said I was giving up.
Okay, Ruben? Okay? Alright. You got this, Ruben, bro. This is how you're gonna get coochie. This is how you can get coochie, bro. Bro, you got this. Oh, well, we don't know about that, but we out.
Here we go again. Same old shit again.
Whoa.
Walking through the avenue.
Copyright. We out. Bro, I'm trying to. Bro, I need Jesus energy, bro. I'm on S game mode. Jesus, I'm. Oh, it's over. It's over. It's over. Oh, he's right there. He didn't get that far. See how I caught up so easily, guys? Our views out here. Yeah. Alright, guys. Alright, traveling. Oh, that's crazy. Oh, look! Damn! This is beautiful. It's crazy. Look at it.
Not putting any effort toward testing it on site for like a police.
Oh, bro.
Still, but I'm not.
Here's the views we want out here. Look at that. We were down there, now we're up here. Cabra. And you hit off. Oh, that's crazy. We're at the top. Oh, we're down back. Oh, it feels lucky nice knowing that we're down there. Now we're up here.
Light work, man.
Oh, look at that. Oh, that looks nice. That's what's keeping me moving out here. There's only survivors out here. That's crazy. I don't know about that. That sounds like a broken ankle.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. you know I'm addicted to you. And it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get.
Yeah, I was running, holding. That's crazy. Jesus came up.
I did, and I'm dying.
Where's Ruben?
Bro, that was killer, huh?
Yeah, it
Don't
was.
stand far.
No cap. You know, there's this slope that just kills. Like, it was like nothing but dirt.
Yeah.
Yes, that's dangerous.
You know which one I'm talking
Yeah, it's the one where it was incline, huh? Yeah, that's wraps.
It was a small ass khaki dirt.
Yeah, Toes was never gonna make it. Really, like we really had to like take more time and shot of the day.
Because they told Hula there's gonna be a storm.
Yeah, we were passing by these like.
We'll keep up to see which one we're gonna do. This is the mini waterfall. Wow. I'm hurt. This is what we came here for?
Nigga, the waterfall we were supposed to go up.
The weakest one is talking.
Bitch. When I came here before, I parkoured all the way up those rocks right there. All the way
Oh shit, there's people right there. Oh, I'm twerking. I'm probably hallucinating. I'm hallucinating. Guys, it sounds like we're gonna go back. It'll take us another hour. It'll take us about another hour to get back.
All right, Rondo, we took you here. We took you here all the way up just for you to do show.
I know, way back. Look at your boy Jesus. That's good as Jesus, but not good enough. I'm down bad. This is my checkpoint, guys. Jesus made it on his own. He left, but I'm out here. I'm going back down. We still got like a whole last hour to go. Can't for nothing but exercise. So here we go, guys. We out. That was a checkpoint. Julio and Juan caught up to me, guys. Another checkpoint's a safe. Yeah, one was there.
That's right.
Yeah. Sorry. Bode's checkpoint. Bode's checkpoint. Bode's checkpoint. No, Bode's checkpoint. Calmado, primo, por favor. Calmado. Thank you, sorry. Thank you, sorry. I feel it. Not those rocks, I don't feel those rocks. Oh shit. We're going. Yes! Alright, stop it! Fuck it up! 1, 2, 3, 4! Bro, that's crazy! Yeah!
Here we go again. One more day and we'll be done.
It was! It was opposite way. Nah, cause the thing we reached, we had to go above it. We made it, boys.
Come on, Mama, let's go back.
On God, Jesus! Yeah. We took the wrong turn. Yeah, we were building momentum, bro, but then we took the wrong turn. We noticed we didn't know a log, so we're all like, we should take this. You just got here? You just got here? No, boy, the fucking go, bro. You had me stressing.